In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to extend a song inside of Producer.ai. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Producer.ai like you usually would. Then from here, you need to log into your account. Now from here, you need to go over to the library and down to the songs. From here, you'll see all of your songs that you have previously created. And now you need to find the specific one that you want to extend. Then from here, you need to go over here to the three dots over here and over here to remix. Then from here, you can see there's an option down in the remix option called extend. And when you click on that, you can see the extend feature will pop up. And here you can add in the settings where you can extend after. You can add in lyrics. You can add sounds or instruments for the specific beats. And you can add the details and write in a title for the beat and upload an image or prompt image. Then from here you can click generate like so, and then Producer.ai will generate an extended version of that specific song. And once that is done, you can click play down here, and that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!